Hi, Burke Watts with Helitech here today, and we're at a home. One of our customers had called us about having issues with standing water in their yard and getting some seepage into their basement. So one of the things that we look at right away when we show up at any home is to look at and see how the gutters are working around your home. And in this situation, you can see the gutters only run out a very short distance from the home, thus letting all that water run back against the foundation and actually end up pooling up out here in the yard. So what we've done is we've put together a plan of repair, and today we're going to have a crew actually take this gutter, we'll put an extension on it, we'll bury it underneath the landscaping all the way out through the yard and take it out to the street, and then we're going to do another one around on the other side of the house. An average 2,000 square foot roof will put out somewhere in the neighborhood of 800 to 1,000 gallons of water in an hour during a normal rainfall. Do you really want that much water going back against your house, which can cause leaking issues, can cause foundation sediment, can cause your basement walls to bow in? All sorts of issues that are easily avoidable by simply making sure these gutters are away from the house. And in the grand scheme of things, it's one of the quickest, easiest, least expensive things that we do here at Helitech. So the first things we do are we have all the public utilities marked prior to Helitech's arrival. The next step is the drain lines will be laid out to verify location and to make sure that everyone agrees with the exit points. The trench is either dug by hand using a tile spade to remove the sod and excavate the trench. Once the trench has been excavated, the crew will install the downspout lines by attaching each section of pipe and properly securing them to make sure that all water flows out to the exit point. All pipes are verified to make sure that they will flow properly, and depending on the grade of your yard, Helitech will install a yard grate at the end of the downspout to allow the water to flow freely, or a pop-up for water to be pushed out if your yard is too flat for the yard drain. Both of these are easy for homeowners to mow over or around and virtually maintenance free. All soil is then backfilled into the trench and any excess is removed from the job site. Sod will be replaced, and where needed, seed and straw will be placed over the excavated trench. All items are cleaned up, and you're left with the peace of mind when it rains that your foundation won't have excess water. So let Helitech heal your home's gutters and direct the water away from your house.